two kinds of people in this world: the ones who see problems in every opportunity, and the ones who see opportunities in every problem. The difference between the two isn't luck or money or even talent. It's something far more powerful: mindset. A positive mindset doesn't mean you always smile or ignore your problems. It means you believe that no matter how difficult life gets, there is always a way forward. It means you choose to focus on possibilities, not limitations. Everyone faces challenges. Everyone feels pain. But those who keep moving, who keep believing, are the ones who rise again and again. Here, think about every person you admire. The athletes, the art. When life knocked them down, they didn't say, "Why me?" They said, "Try me." That's what a positive mindset does. It gives you power when everything else seems lost. It doesn't remove the pain, but it gives you the strength to push through it. It doesn't guarantee success, but it gives you the courage to try again after every failure. There was once a man who lost everything: his job, his savings, even his confidence. For weeks, he sat quietly in his small room, questioning his worth. He felt invisible, broken, and defeated. But one morning, he looked in the mirror and said something different. He said, "I can't control what I lost, but I can control what I think." That one small sentence changed his entire life. He decided to rebuild himself from zero. He started learning new skills, even though he was scared to fail again. He applied for jobs that rejected him before. He stopped saying, "I can't," and started saying, "I'll try." Every morning, he reminded himself that even the smallest step forward was better than standing still. Weeks turned into months, and slowly, his life began to change. He didn't get success overnight, but he got stronger every day. And that's the secret. When you train your mind to stay positive, your world begins to shift. You start noticing possibilities you never saw before. You begin to attract better energy, better people, and better results. Because your thoughts shape. So when things go wrong, don't focus on what's missing. Focus on what you can still do. When your mind whispers, "I can't," let your heart shout, "I will." You become what you believe. And if you believe you can rise, nothing can keep you down. Life will always test you. There will be moments when everything feels heavy and unfair. But if you can stay positive even in darkness, you'll discover your real strength. Because positivity isn't pretending that life is easy. It's believing that you are strong enough to handle the hard parts. So keep your head up. Keep your heart steady. Train your mind to find the good even in the bad. Don't let negativity build walls around your dreams. Instead, build bridges of hope.